guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Aarti from my fashion lifestyle, and here's a video, one which I've been always doing on my channel, which is a sari draping video. And I've got a different style for you here where you can drape a sari on pants and a kurta. So I'm going to show you a versatile way of wearing a sari. This isn't a traditional way, guys, and if you don't like the style, please don't get offended. This is something that most of the people wear in a different way in Hyderabad special, which is a Khada Dupatta style sari. So I'll be teaching you how you can do that by wearing a kurta and pants, or you can also wear a sharara and a kameez, or a kameez and pants. So let's get started. I'm using a silk sari for this, and you will also need to use a silk sari or a sari which has got a nice broad border of embroidery, even if it's a flowy fabric. So now, without further ado, let's move on to the video. Okay guys, for the second look, I'm putting on a loose shirt. It's an open shirt. I've just tied a knot, and what you'll need is the same silk sari. So let's get started. Hey guys, so that's all from me on the ways you can wear a silk sari in different or modern and contemporary way. I hope you liked the video. If you did, don't forget to give me a like and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to see more sari draping videos and fashion and style videos. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again next time.